Hi Pisces, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to do your general reading from 14th of September till 20th of September, and you will see what are the guidance messages for you in the coming week. Alright, and for those who are new to my channel, a warm welcome to you all, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please consider subscribing and hit the bell notification icon as well, so that you will be able to get updated about my latest videos. Alright, let's see what is there for my Pisces in the coming week. This is a general reading. It might or might not resonate with all of you. Okay, so let's see. Three shuffles. Okay, just a second. More. Okay, so let's see what is there at the present moment. So sadness, it's kind of a guilt, sadness, regrets in your life, where you are really thinking about past. You're more focused about on your past. This is the environment around you right now. Okay, so what is the conflict? Because you are in the middle of two situations over here, so this might be a past and a future situation, and you are in the middle of that thing over here. This is more about this is something you are actually resisting. So I would say that when you really are, you have to manage two things, then the sadness actually appears. When you have two things, when you have work and home life, you have two things in hand, and you have to make a choice between two things, a lot of sadness occurs because you are not ready to let go of anything out of these two. So that is why the sadness is here, the regret, the guilt, about not being like what to do, like not being able to give 100% to any situation. This is where you are right now. What's the foundation? King of Wands. So this is someone who is a very, with the King of Wands, he is a very good decision maker. So that is why the foundation over here of the situation, which you don't want to look at, you can take a decision, you can make a decision, and this is in you, this is inside you, but you are not able to look at this decision making. It's like you are not able to decide something which you can do. This is that kind of an energy. What's in your past? Nine of Wands. So there was a zone in your life where you were actually, your guards were up, you were not letting anyone enter in your territory, and that is why this thing now is actually becoming a problem in your life. Your past energy is also telling me that when sometimes security is actually something, you want to be in a comfort zone, you want to choose you are not ready to choose the right option, you are ready to choose the easy option. Okay, so it's up to you whether to choose the easy option or the right option. Okay, what's up in your mind? 10 of Wands. So this is where you are aware of this responsibility. See, this is something which you are aware of, this is something which is in your mind. You are under a lot of pressure. This is something, a lot of burden, a lot of responsibilities on your shoulder. This is something you are not ready. See this person, how this person is moving forward, and he is not even able to carry all these sticks around on his back, but still he is carrying. So this is something, this is overloading yourself. This is something which you cannot do, but you are just overloading yourself, because at some point this person will throw these 10 wands. So why to overload yourself? So this is something you are actually carrying a lot of burden. I'm seeing a lot of pressure, a lot of responsibilities. What's in your future? Coming up in your future is the Ace of Cups, a new beginning with someone, or might be just a new beginning. Okay, it does not has to be always a person to begin with, but it is a new beginning, a very beautiful emotional kind of a beginning. Your emotions, they do count, you know. Okay, so let's see how you see yourself. You see yourself as the Hanged Man. You see yourself as someone who is really in the middle of a decision to take, but still has to look around all the perspectives. So you are in that state where you are just sitting quietly, you are just analyzing the situations, you are not doing anything, you are just waiting for the perfect time to come, and then you will take this decision. How people see you? People see you as a Page of Pentacles. People see you as a very, you know, that kind of a person who is not very mature, but yes, who has a stable offer to give at least. So this is how people see you. This is more about someone who is, you know, this is a person who has a stable offer to give, plus a stable how to say this, stable new beginning to give. When you get involved, this is that kind of a child who is very mature, who is very sensible. So people see you as a very sensible and a very, you know, a childlike person. Okay, so your fears, strength. Okay, so this is a lesson which you need to learn. So this is strength. This is that inner strength which you really need to learn when you have to deal with your inner problems. Okay, sometimes when you are around many big issues, you have to deal with yourself first, then you can deal with the world outside. So this is that lesson learned. This is the fear which you are not being able to, you know, you are not able to face this fear, this kind of a feeling, because you have to get a lot of courage to take this decision, and you are really afraid to take this decision. That is why your inner strength is very important right now. What's the final outcome? 3 of Swords. So there is a new beginning with a heartbreak with someone. So if this is regarding 2 people, so with someone you are beginning with a new beginning with someone and ending with someone else. We'll clarify. Let's see. Interesting. Let's see why this Ace of Cups here. Who is this Ace of Cups? Why the Ace of Cups is here? Four of Swords. What else? And the World. So some kind of a process is completed and a lot of healing has been done. So I'm seeing that when a process, when a cycle, you know, this might be a cycle with someone, you might have completed this cycle with someone and you are ready to start a new beginning with someone. So this is like that when you are ending a situation of past and you are moving towards your future. You want to start fresh. So this is that energy when you are leaving all the past energies behind. What is the 3 of Swords in the outcome? Let's see what is the 3 of Swords. Why is the 3 of Swords in the final outcome? 10 of Swords and Ace of Wands. So again, that energy where you are ending some kind of there's some kind of a heartbreak over here. There is a final ending to someone. Definitely there's an ending, but to start something new. See, always the endings, they always come up with a new beginning, and your new beginning has been already here. Your mind is full of dreams. You have already dreamt about this thing and it's in your mind, but when it will come in action, it will be up to you. Okay, so the endings and new beginnings are up to you, when to end and when to start something new. I want to see this Page of Pentacles, how people see Pisces, how your person or the people around you see you. Ace of Pentacles, okay, and the Moon. So this is your energy, Pisces. So people see you as someone who is hiding many things inside, and you know, this person has some kind of a beautiful stable beginning with you, if this is the person. But you are actually, people actually see a beautiful new beginning with you. People actually see a stable, and they really want this thing to start afresh with you. That is why this Page of Pentacles, see, this Page of Pentacles is the same. See, the hand is same as this one. This is somebody is actually offering you a beautiful stable beginning. It's up to you, will you accept it or not. Okay, so that is all from my side, Pisces. I hope it helps, and we will meet you in the next video. Till then, bye.